Beijing Zoo. This Brazza's monkey is yawning. Look at it, opening its mouth wide, even squinting its eyes into slits. Its iconic white beard moves along, just like a sleepy, white-bearded grandpa. P.S. It's not alone. There are 3 of these cute monkeys hidden in the shot. Did you know? Yawning is contagious, whether it's humans or monkeys. It's a little unspoken bond among animals. Now stare at it for 10 seconds.